In some tessellations, you want to do a column of twists out from the center and then expand those columns out to the edges. There are several of these inside of Tessellations by Tiles, and we go through not only how to fold them, but also what variables are available to be changed in them. So if you're mirroring columns or if you need to alternate columns, if you have choices of spacing inside the column, choices of spacing between columns, how many choices of twists do you have inside of these structures? So there's all kinds of things that you wouldn't necessarily think of if you're focusing just on folding one more tessellation. So what Tessellations by Tiles teaches is how to fold an entire structure. So that gets you 8, 16, 32, however many, infinitely many different tessellations in each structure that you can use to design your own. You can use it as a starting point of designing your own structures, and you can really go wild with it. So join me in Tessellations by Tiles by going to training.gatheringfolds.com/TBT for Tessellations by Tiles, and I hope to see you there.